零钱，零钱，零钱。
Small change.
Small change.
糟了，我的零钱用完了。糟了，我的零钱用完了。糟了，我的零钱用完了。
Oops, I've run out of change.
Oops, I've run out of change.
请问您有10块钱的零钱吗？请问您有10块钱的零钱吗？请问您有10块钱的零钱吗？
Excuse me, do you have 10 yuan in change?
Excuse me, do you have 10 yuan in change?
对不起，我身上没有零钱。对不起，我身上没有零钱。对不起，我身上没有零钱。
Sorry, I don't have any change.
Sorry, I don't have any change.
打招呼，打招呼，打招呼。
Greet. Say hello.
Greet. Say hello.
你好，早是最常见的打招呼用语。你好，早是最常见的打招呼用语。你好，早是最常见的打招呼用语。
Hello and good morning are the most common greetings.
Hello and good morning are the most common greetings.
每天早上，邻居们都会互相打招呼。每天早上，邻居们都会互相打招呼。每天早上，邻居们都会互相打招呼。
Neighbors greet each other every morning.
Neighbors greet each other every morning.
我跟他打招呼，他没搭理我。我跟他打招呼，他没搭理我。我跟他打招呼，他没搭理我。
I greeted him, but he didn't respond.
I greeted him, but he didn't respond.
带，带，带。
Where?
Where?
你戴着这顶黄色的帽子，很好看。你戴着这顶黄色的帽子，很好看。你戴着这顶黄色的帽子，很好看。
You look great in this yellow hat.
You look great in this yellow hat.
他戴着一对珍珠耳环。他戴着一对珍珠耳环。他戴着一对珍珠耳环。
She was wearing a pair of pearl earrings.
She was wearing a pair of pearl earrings.
那个戴墨镜的男人行为很古怪。那个戴墨镜的男人行为很古怪。那个戴墨镜的男人行为很古怪。
The man in the sunglasses behaved strangely.
The man in the sunglasses behaved strangely.
眼镜，眼镜，眼镜。
Glasses.
Glasses.
我不小心把眼镜摔在地上了。我不小心把眼镜摔在地上了。我不小心把眼镜摔在地上了。
I accidentally dropped my glasses on the ground.
I accidentally dropped my glasses on the ground.
眼镜片摔破了个小缺口。眼镜片摔破了个小缺口。眼镜片摔破了个小缺口。
There was a small chip on the lens of my glasses.
There was a small chip on the lens of my glasses.
有干眼症的患者不适合戴隐形眼镜。有干眼症的患者不适合戴隐形眼镜。有干眼症的患者不适合戴隐形眼镜。
Patients with dry eyes are not suitable for wearing contact lenses.
Patients with dry eyes are not suitable for wearing contact lenses.
舞蹈，舞蹈，舞蹈。
Dance.
Dance.
明天下午我们一起去看舞蹈表演，怎么样？明天下午我们一起去看舞蹈表演，怎么样？明天下午我们一起去看舞蹈表演，怎么样？
How about we go to see a dance performance together tomorrow afternoon?
How about we go to see a dance performance together tomorrow afternoon?
太好了，我们可以一边看舞蹈表演，一边喝茶。太好了，我们可以一边看舞蹈表演，一边喝茶。太好了，我们可以一边看舞蹈表演，一边喝茶。
It was great. We could watch the dance performance while drinking tea.
It was great. We could watch the dance performance while drinking tea.
他们的中国舞蹈表演非常精彩。他们的中国舞蹈表演非常精彩。他们的中国舞蹈表演非常精彩。
Their Chinese dance performance was wonderful.
Their Chinese dance performance was wonderful.
国籍，国籍，国籍。
Nationality.
Nationality.
在填写申请表时，请清楚地写明您的国籍。在填写申请表时，请清楚地写明您的国籍。在填写申请表时，请清楚地写明您的国籍。
When filling out the application form, please clearly indicate your nationality.
When filling out the application form, please clearly indicate your nationality.
每一艘船在进入港口前，必须清楚地标明其国籍。每一艘船在进入港口前，必须清楚地标明其国籍。每一艘船在进入港口前，必须清楚地标明其国籍。
Every ship must clearly indicate its nationality before entering the port.
Every ship must clearly indicate its nationality before entering the port.
把爱带给更多的人，不分国籍，不分性别。把爱带给更多的人，不分国籍，不分性别。把爱带给更多的人，不分国籍，不分性别。
Bring love to more people, regardless of nationality or gender.
Bring love to more people, regardless of nationality or gender.
谢谢观看。